President Biden condemned the U.S. Supreme Court ruling that granted former President Trump and other presidents certain immunity for official acts while in office.
Federal prosecutors in Trump's election interference case must now lay out all of their evidence against Trump to determine what is or is not official conduct. Fox's Connor Hansen reports.
Good evening.
President Joe Biden reacting to the Supreme Court's monumental presidential immunity ruling released earlier Monday.
Today's decision almost certainly means that there are virtually no limits on what the president can do. It's a dangerous precedent because the power of the office will no longer be constrained by the law.
In one of the biggest cases of the year, the court ruled in a 6-3 decision that a current or former president, including Donald Trump, is granted broad immunity from prosecution for official acts taken while in office, but no immunity for unofficial acts.
The American people must decide if they want to entrust the president once again, the presidency, to Donald Trump, now knowing he'll be even more emboldened to do whatever he pleases whenever he wants to do it.
Trump called the decision a, quote, big win for our Constitution and for democracy. The ruling is likely favorable for the former president, who is facing prosecution from special counsel Jack Smith for alleged attempts to undermine the 2020 election while in office, including his role in the January 6th insurrection.
I think they're protecting our institutions and the processes we have against being disfigured by the passions of the moment.
The court's 3 liberal justices strongly dissented. Justice Sonia Sotomayor writing the decision, quote, effectively creates a law-free zone around the president, allowing the president to become a, quote, king above law. The decision will also likely impact Trump's other ongoing criminal cases, like his alleged mishandling of classified documents and attempts to subvert election results in Georgia. In Washington, Connor Hansen, Fox News.
Attorneys for former President Donald Trump want to challenge his conviction in his hush money trial now that the Supreme Court has issued its ruling on presidential immunity. If the judge allows Trump to file a motion to set aside his conviction, it could delay the former president's sentencing set for next week. The district attorney's office has not commented. In May, a jury convicted Trump of 34 felony counts of falsifying business records to conceal a payment to an adult film star in an attempt to influence the 2016 presidential election.